Have you ever wondered how to get jasmine rice perfectly fluffy and just on point when cooking it in a pot? I'ma show you, let's go. So first of all, take off your glasses and get your jasmine rice and a cup. Okay, so one pot of rice serves at least 2 people or 4 people according to the size of your portions. So what we will do with the cup is we will rinse the rice in a sieve. Just wash it a little bit with your bare hands. Don't overdo it though, we just want to get out a little bit of the starch. Okay, so once you have rinsed the rice, we will need the correct amount of water. So for jasmine rice, you have to have a ratio of rice to water of 1 to 125. Which means for 1 cup of rice we will have 1 1/4 of water. Don't worry, I will leave a calculated table in the description. As soon as it starts to boil, put on the lid and turn it down to the lowest heat. After around 10 minutes, it should look a little something like this. You can see the ground. Perfect. Take your pot off the stove and don't touch it for the next 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, while we're waiting, enjoy a drink of your choice. Cheers! "15 minutes have passed and it's about time to open the pot. See, nothing is sticking to the pot. Gently, swift. Take a small plate and get this ready. Voila, my dear friends, you have your perfectly cooked jasmine rice ready to serve. See you again next time on Funky Kitchen.